Imagine a world where it rains glass. On a faraway planet called HD 18973b, the weather is absolutely insane. It rains molten glass, not water. And the fierce winds blow this glass sideways at speeds of over 5,400 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound on Earth. If you ever stepped foot there, you'd be shredded by glass in seconds. This planet is so extreme that its atmosphere glows bright blue, just like Earth, but make no mistake. This is no place for humans. Space is way weirder than we ever imagined. Hit like if you think the universe is full of crazy planets.